Jai Srimannarayana. Fourth sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Rushibhihi Bahudha Gitam Chandobhihi Vividhaih Prudhak ब्रह्मसूत्र पदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिः विनिश्चितैः। ॐ Realize that whatever Krishna Paramatma is declaring in this Bhagavad Gita is the essence of all the Vedas, Shruti, Smriti, Purana, Itihasa, Mimamsa, Brahma Sutra. This is the essence of all those scriptures, and the essence is you and your body belongings of Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, Oh Krishna, Oh Srimannarayana, I realize that, I believe that whatever that you are declaring in this Bhagavad Gita is the essence of all the scriptures related to Sanatana Dharma. And the essence is myself, I myself and my body, everything is of your belongings. Krishna, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please guide me to act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము 10th స్కంధం 231st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this: He Bhagavan, Pasyame Isa Anaryam Ananta Adye Paratmani Tvayapi Mayi Mayini. Hey Bhagavan, look at me, how much of bad things that I have done, how much of wrong things I have done. Look at my shamelessness, how much of cruel that I am. Hey Bhagavan, you are not an ordinary man. Maya Mayini. You can do magic to the one who can do so many magics. మాయలు కలుగువారలను మాయల బెట్టెడి ప్రోడ నిన్ను మాయగలంచి నీ మహిమ మానము చూచెదనంచు నేరమించేయగ పూనితిన్ కరుణ చేయుము కావుము యోగి రాజా. You can do magics to anyone. You are unlimited. Your Swarupam, your nature, Swabhavam also unlimited. We cannot just define your Swarupam and Swabhavam. You are the one who is cause to the entire universe. You are Paramatma. What I have done, such great entity you are, I try to mask you with my magic. Bhagavan, if I am compared with you, what I am? Nothing I am. You are like Agni. I am like a small spark. If a spark try to show its greatness on Agni, how that spark cannot show just like that, I cannot show any of my glory, my magic on you. That is why Bhagavan Karuna Cheyumu Kavumu. Please forgive me, please protect me. I tried to do something adventure, but I cannot do, I should not be doing like that. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 4th sloka. Rishibhir Bahudha Gitam. Chendobhirvividhaih prudhak brahmasootrapadaishchaiva hetumadbhirvinischitaih. Rishibhirbahudha gitam chendobhirvividhaih prudhak brahmasootrapadaishchaiva hetumadbhirvinischitaih. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.